Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the shake transition on CapCut. So for this edits, you need to import your clips, and then for the first clip, I'm going to add the diamond zoom effect. So go to basic and then find the diamond zoom in here. Click on the check icon, and then here I'm going to adjust the duration like this. Okay, so after that, for the next clip, click on the next clips like this, and then go to animations in, and then find the swing bottom animation. Okay, this one, click on that and adjust the duration into 0.1 seconds like this. Click on a check icon, and then after that, do this for all of the clips. So find the swing bottom and adjust it to 0.1, and here is the last clip. Okay, and after you add the animations, go to effect. You need to go to effect and then video effects, and here find the details category, and then click on the vertical blur effect, this one. Click on that and adjust the effect into 100. Click on the check icon and make it short as possible like this, and then put it at the beginning of the second clips. Okay, like this. Copy the effects and put it at the bottom, and after this you need to do this for all of the rest of the clips. So copy the effect and then put it on the next clip like this. So I'm going to get back to you after I'm done. Okay, so I've already copied the effects in for all of the clips like this, and the final result for the shake transition will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.